Hi, this is Diana with WTI.
This item here is the VikTck USB-C Super Drive external DVD plus CD reader. No buttons, no long cables. It's very small. I like how it looks, just a square color gray, very soft material item, and it can do a lot of stuff for you. You operate the play button and the fast forward and all that on your device, on your computer or TV or the laptop. And this item also can be used as data backup or to copy files, listen to music on a CD, watch a movie on a DVD, install software. Is very high speed. You will love this item. I will recommend it.
I know that this item will be ideal for you. I will recommend it. And that is my point of view.